Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Fanxiang S880E 2TB NVMe SSD, a drive that's making waves for its impressive specs and compatibility. This PCIe Gen 4 SSD boasts some serious numbers, with read speeds up to 7,100 MB/s and write speeds hitting 5,300 MB/s. What does that mean in the real world? It translates to incredibly fast loading times, snappy application performance, and overall a more responsive system. The S880E is built with the NVMe 2.0 protocol, ensuring it can keep up with the demands of modern gaming and professional applications. It uses high-quality 3D NAND flash memory, which is crucial for both speed and longevity. The drive is designed in the M.2 2280 form factor, making it compatible with a wide range of devices, including desktops, laptops, and even all-in-one PCs. Gamers, in particular, will appreciate what this SSD brings to the table. It's fully compatible with the PlayStation 5, offering a significant storage upgrade and faster loading times for games. The S880E also supports direct storage, a technology that allows games to load assets directly to the GPU, bypassing the CPU and further reducing loading times. This results in a smoother, more immersive gaming experience. But the S880E isn't just for gamers. Professionals who work with large files, such as video editors and graphic designers, will also benefit from its speed and performance. The drive's fast read and write speeds make it ideal for tasks like video editing, rendering, and large file transfers. It can handle heavy workloads without breaking a sweat, making it a valuable asset for anyone who needs to get things done quickly and efficiently. One of the standout features of the Fanxiang S880E is its backward compatibility. This means it can be used with older PCIe Gen 3 motherboards, although it won't reach its full potential in terms of speed. However, it still offers a significant performance boost over traditional SATA SSDs. Installation is straightforward, especially for those familiar with M.2 drives. Simply slot it into the M.2 slot on your motherboard or PS5, secure it with a screw, and you're good to go. The drive is also equipped with hardware encryption, adding an extra layer of security for your data. Overall, the Fanxiang S880E 2TB NVMe SSD is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their storage. Its impressive speeds, compatibility with both PCs and the PS5, and professional-grade performance make it a versatile and valuable investment. Whether you're a gamer looking for faster loading times or a professional who needs to handle large files, the S880E is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.